Sometimes when you work for yourself, you've got to do your own little repairs, keep things ticking over. It just makes it affordable. So I've got this problem in here with these lights. Yep, they're not working again. Old fluorescents with the starters, constantly packing up. I've always got problems. I've obviously taken the shield off the other one. I've got one down there, I've got one down there. So what we've done is I've gone to Screwfix and purchased these. And they are these LED bulbs. Not too bad, only a tenner. So we're going to, and they come with a starter as well, that'll unplug off the end. So I'm going to go and mount these up and let's see how they turn out. Hopefully they're going to be bright enough for the job. Right, so it's up and in. Fingers crossed it works. Now remember, when you're fitting these, you've got to have LED starters because they are different, but fortunately they came with one, so that was a bargain. I didn't know that, so I bought an extra 4. We'll call them backups and leave it there. So let's give it a go, and fingers crossed this works well. Oh dear, I think I'm in heaven. Very bright and very much worth the money. Now let's not forget, if we all do a little bit for this planet, we're all going to save a bit, aren't we? Save a dolphin, that's the name of the game. So we're on LEDs, these are going to last a lot longer and be a little bit better for the planet, burning less electricity. We've all got to do our bit, so if we all have a go each, 8 billion of us do a little bit each, it's going to make a big difference. They were that fantastic, I ended up changing all 6. It's absolutely that bright in here, and a white light, not a horrible yellow light. First class.